angina, ang typical angina or stable angina is that siya, nagkakaroon ng pain, ang typical angina kapag nag-increase workload ng heart. Diba, naglalakad ka ng malayo, of course, increase ang workload ng heart, kaya nagkakaroon ng angina. Kasi, of course, there's a decrease in vascular or blood flow to the heart. So, since na meron siyang, alam niyo yung fat deposition of the heart. Okay, so nag-decrease ang blood flow to the heart. So, kapag kailangan ng dugo ng more blood, decrease ng more blood, hindi na-supply ito ng heart. Bakit? Kasi merong blockage. Or merong decrease diameter ng blood vessel. So, kapag kailangan ng dugo ng heart, kapag kailangan ng dugo ng heart, decrease ito. Hindi na-supply yan. So, nangyayari, nagkakaroon tinatawag na lactic acid formation. Kasi, nag-shift ang myocardial cells to anaerobic metabolism. Ang result ito is lactic acidosis. And again, or would you like to write it in the words? Yeah, alam ko, hindi mo yung
Nakatulala lang.
nakatulala lang.
Stable, unstable. Basta na? Ha? Hello? Hello?
Physical examination.
Physical examination.
Para kayo naman.
Ito talaga ni Puto.
From head to toe assessment.
Palo caudal.
Head to toe assessment. So, yung distribution ng hair, texture ng hair, ano ba yan?